All right, you guys, it's time for breaking news. Breaking news. All right, I'm a total dork, but that's okay. I love it. Anyways, I am coming to you with a world news, breaking news story. And I picked this one because it kind of goes along with what we're talking about this whole week, and this whole month is our bodies. And one thing that the whole world is concerned about now is this germ, this virus called the coronavirus. And I sent you a video about the coronavirus the very first week. And basically the coronavirus tells your cells to do things it's not supposed to do. And it hurts your lungs and it becomes very hard for you to breathe. And that's why people are worried, because if you can't breathe well, then you can't live, right? And so in some countries, lots of people are dying. Luckily, in America, in most cities, there's not a ton of deaths. In New York, it's pretty bad from what I've heard. I'm not an expert in the coronavirus, but that is one of the things that's definitely affecting us. That's why we're not going to school, because we're worried about the coronavirus, right? So as scientists are learning more about this virus, they're telling us to do new things and to keep ourselves safe. And so that's what the breaking news is about. And I'll just start reading it. Wearing masks, okay? Many people are wearing masks now. Many scientists think masks can help help stop the coronavirus. The coronavirus spreads from person to person. Germs spread the coronavirus. Germs are very small. So, you know how we talked about how a cell is smaller than your body. It's smaller than your arm. It's smaller than your hand. It's smaller than your finger. Smaller than your fingertip. It's smaller than a drop of blood. Inside a drop of blood, there are thousands of cells, and this coronavirus is even smaller than a cell. So it's very small. You cannot see it, all right? But if we cough and spit comes out of our mouth, that can go out, and other people go and breathe it in, and then it's in their body. And so it's very important that we try to take care of ourselves. We wash our hands, all that stuff. So the second page. People can spread germs when they cough, sneeze, or talk. Because when you talk, you use your tongue and you breathe out, and sometimes there's little bits of spit you can't even see that flicks out. Masks cover people's mouths and noses. Masks may help stop germs. Many people are wearing masks in public places. All right, so that's the breaking news story, is that people are starting to wear masks. And I picked that one. I mean, some of you probably already know this, but I picked it also because I don't want you guys to be nervous when you go out and people are wearing masks. It doesn't mean those people are sick. It doesn't mean that you're necessarily going to get sick. It's just people trying to stay safe. So here's the comprehension question. What are many people wearing now? Are they wearing ski boots, masks, or crowns? Well, I wish I was wearing a crown. When I go out, I wear a mask. Okay? The next question. Question number 2. And the 2 must have blown away. Oh, that's sad. Okay, so we're into question number 3. Where are many people wearing masks? Are they wearing them in public places, in the homes, or in basements? Well, if you're in your home, most likely you don't need to wear a mask unless someone in your house is already pretty sick. So I would say the answer is public places, because if we look back in our text, it says right here, many people are wearing masks in public places. So you kind of saw the picture of the masks right here, right on this little guy. Saw a little picture of a mask. But sometimes people don't have those kinds of masks. It can take a long time to get that kind of a mask. So people have to come up with other solutions. So some people wear that paper mask. My husband, like I said, he does landscaping. So he has this kind of mask. And we don't actually wear this mask out because it's meant for dust, right? So it goes like this and it covers. But you can see there's actually like a lot of holes right here. And germs are really small. They could fit into those holes and stuff. This is actually really to keep yourself from breathing in a lot of dust when you're doing a lot of yard work with like big machines and there's lots of dirt flying in the air. You'd wear this kind of mask. But it's not actually really particularly effective against germs. Although most masks aren't going to be 100%. There's one kind of mask that is, but that's hard to come by. I think it's called the N95 mask. Some people, I want to see if I can make the camera go so you can see this, are making their own masks. So what they do is they get like a bandana and they lay it out. Let's see if I can get that a little better. And my husband and I, we've kind of put a little filter in there. This is a cut up grocery bag, like reusable grocery bag. And then we fold it in half, like this. And then we fold it in half again, like this. And then we take a little hair tie, right here, and we put it through the end. And we fold it over. And we get another hair tie, and we throw it over the end and fold it in. And then, I'll show you what we do. We take this little mask thing that we've kind of folded into place. Let's see. And kind of just, ooh, that did not work very well. Sometimes it takes once or twice. Kind of just put it over. And you can buy masks. People are selling them now. We tend to go with this one because it has a lot of layers of material between you and the person in front of you. The problem with this one is like stuff can go this way. Nothing's perfect, but it can help. Just listen to what your parents say they want you to do when you guys go out. Some places like Costco, I think you can't go in if you don't have a mask. So I could wear this and it would work as a mask. I could wear this. I could wear one of those paper masks. So there's lots of different options. I just don't want you guys to be scared. I want you guys to know that it's kind of just something people are trying out to see if it helps not spread the coronavirus, because that's kind of what we're trying to stop right now, so we can all get back together and get into class, because goodness knows I super miss you and I want you to come back. All right, love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.